Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly claim 200 Buttercup coins and grow a garden game of Roblox, the Buttercup Quest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is my Buttercup coins balance, and if you want to easily get 200 Buttercup coins, you need to focus on this quest. Okay, this quest can give you 200 buttercup coins. We need to harvest one buttercup but with a specific color, such as the white buttercup or the black buttercup. And for my today's quest, I need to harvest one white buttercup. And if you want to get the white buttercup, guys, you can use mutation. You can use the ghostly mutation, for example, this one. I have one white buttercup with the ghostly mutation. Okay, for the white color, you can use the ghostly mutation or the silver mutation. For the white mutation, I use the grid pumpkin. You can also use the silver dragonfly to give the silver mutation. And for the black buttercup, you can use the moonlight mutation. You can wait the weather, which can give you moonlight mutation, or you can use wolf pet. That can give your plants the moonlight mutation. So for the color, guys, it's about mutation. It's not real color of the buttercup. So if you want to claim 200 buttercup coins quickly, you can focus on the last mission or the last quest. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get the 200 buttercup coins in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.